Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In this video, I will be solving selective questions from IIT JAM 2018 statistics paper. For more videos, you can keep checking our channels and stay tuned. We will be provided more of the solutions of IIT JAM stat papers in these videos. Let's start with question number 15. In question number 15, we are given that x is a random variable with PDF f of x is equals to 4x to the power k for 0 less than x less than 1, x minus x square by 2 for 1 less than equals to x less than 2, and 0 for otherwise. Now we have to calculate p of half less than x less than 3 by 2. So first we need to calculate k. Integration of fx dx is equals to integration of 4x to the power k dx 0 to 1 plus integration of 1 to 2 x minus x square by 2 dx. This gives us 4 by k plus 1 plus 2 by 6 is equals to 1. This equals to k equals to 5. So we have already calculated the value of k. Now probability of half less than x less than 3 by 2 is equals to integration of 4x to the power 5 dx half to 1 plus integration of 1 to 3 by 2 x minus x square by 2 dx. This equals to, we need to calculate, let me add a page, is equals to 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 to the power 6 minus 1 by 2 to the power 6 plus 3 square multiplied by 6 minus 3 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 2 cube by 6 into 2 cube. This equals to 63 by 32 multiplied by 3 plus 11 by 8 into 6. This again equals to 63 by 2 to the power 5 into 3 plus 11 by 2 to the power 4 into 3. That gives us 1 by 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 into 63 plus 22. This will be equals to 85 by 2 to the power 5 into 3 is equals to 0.8854. So our answer is 0.8854. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries. For more videos, stay tuned and keep checking our channels. Thank you for watching again.